Gardening tools explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of gardening, specifically focusing on gardening tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, understanding these tools is key to your gardening success. So, let's get started and dig into the details. Gardening tools are instruments specifically designed to make gardening easier and more efficient. These tools can range from simple hand tools for small tasks to larger equipment for extensive gardening. They help in various activities like digging, planting, pruning, and watering. It's important to know the right tool for each task to make your gardening experience enjoyable and productive. Hand tools. Trowel. A small hand tool used for digging, smoothing, or moving small amounts of material. Perfect for planting small plants or herbs. Pruners. Used for trimming and shaping plants. Essential for maintaining plant health and appearance. Digging tools. Shovel. A long-handled tool with a broad blade. Ideal for digging, lifting, and moving soil or other materials. Garden fork. Great for loosening, lifting, and turning over soil in your garden. Watering tools. Watering can. A portable container with a spout, used for hand watering plants. Hose with a spray nozzle. Useful for watering larger areas or for plants that need a gentle shower. Specialty tools. Wheelbarrow. Handy for transporting soil, compost, or plants around your garden. Lawnmower. Essential for keeping your lawn trimmed and neat. Selecting the right tool depends on your garden size and the type of plants you have. For small, indoor gardens, hand tools might be enough. For larger outdoor gardens, you might need more robust tools like shovels and wheelbarrows. Remember, the right tool not only makes the job easier but also helps prevent injury and makes gardening more enjoyable. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the different types of gardening tools and their uses. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening journey. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.